Hey, hi there. Welcome to PyMLFinance. So before we go to discuss logical operators in Python, it is important to discuss and understand this small topic, truthiness. This is simple but very powerful and very important to understand, especially for beginners. So let's start with the video. So let's slow down a little and discuss something very important. Okay, let's talk about something Python does quietly. So Python often treats any value as either true or false. So this idea in Python is called as truthiness. Okay, so any non-zero number in Python is treated as true. Any non-zero number, any non-zero number is treated as true in Python, and 0 is treated as false. Okay, similarly, non-empty strings are treated as true and empty string is treated as false in Python. Same rule applies for any data structure, be it list, be it dictionary, or be it tuples. So if the container has something in it, then Python treats it as true. If the container is empty, it is false in Python. Okay, and none is always treated as false in Python. Okay, so Python is not randomly deciding truth. There is a very simple rule underneath. Okay, and what is the rule? So rule is, if something exists meaningfully, if something exists meaningfully, then Python treats it as true. If something is empty, zero or nothing, nothing means none. Okay, then Python treats it as false. So logical operators depend completely on this. Okay, so it was important to understand this before we dive into logical operators. So this was a very small concept but very powerful concept, and that was all to discuss in this video. In the next video we discuss about logical operators in Python. So thank you and happy learning.